This is exactly the Kalesh we talk about. We are Kaleshis.
With mom and you will not understand.
This orange color, blue denim, काला घोड़ा, पूरा घोड़ा कुछ बोला ही नहीं है.
Welcome to Coffee and Kalesh, where dumb meets dumber.
That's why we are best friends. Okay, so just let's begin. What did you think of me when you first met me? Actually, we met in Paryushan during Bhakti.
Oh, I do not even remember that. Yeah, I got it, guys. When I first met you, I thought you were such a mean. Oh my god, she's so mean. She doesn't even speak to me. She looks very sugar coated, was what I said to myself. Like, she looks like dipped in a sugar syrup and bought out wala jalebi.
You thought I was mean in general. I was not mean, yaar. People have that impression about me because maybe it's how I give a look, but I'm not. I was really very sweet. I mean, I can't believe this is the first time you have told me on conversation that you have felt like that. You have never told me that I was mean to you. I was not mean to you at all. Generally, I'm never mean to anybody first I meet. Maybe after that I can be.
But when, like, after a point of time, when we went on the trip and everything, I found the Aditi to my Naina, honestly. Okay, so my question for you is, what's your worst experience in friendship? Like the heartache pain you've had?
हार्ट एकिंग पेन क्या ही बोलूं यार. इतना कुछ हुआ नहीं मेरी लाइफ में. मेरी लाइफ इतनी हैपनिंग है ही नहीं कि मेरे को हार्ट एकिंग पेन हो जाएगा यार.
एडिटर आर्या के ऊपर वो ज्ञानी बाबा वाला डाल देना.
I am a very good person in general. I don't, do bitchy things to people actually, but people have been so mean to me and for no reason. I don't know the reason why people are behaving certain way. या फिर अगर तुम मेरे साथ हो तो तुम्हें अकेला फील नहीं होगा. But I have been left alone many a times and I just feel why what I have done so wrong. And I just thought कि यार some friendships are gonna last forever. And I think I have those friends no more in my life who I thought could be my friends like forever. And worst तो क्या ही हो सकता है. मतलब मेरे लाइफ में दोस्ती तो छोड़ ही देनी चाहिए. बाकी बहुत चीजें worst हो रही है लाइफ में. तो मैं दोस्ती का worst, I don't count that as that. Then I met you. I don't count it as worst thing again. I mean, you're nice to me, yaar. You have been the most nicest people I've met last year. I don't have many friends. Do you have many friends?
I have like few friends. Like, see, I can't even get it out. I can literally count it. हाँ, खत्म. 5 उंगलियां भी बहुत पड़ रही है.
I am a very sweet person. You will backstab with a lie. Still say sorry. I did not mean to do so. I'll be like that's fine. And मतलब तुम अगर मेरे साथ बुरा करोगे फिर भी मुझसे नहीं होता तुम्हारे साथ बुरा behave करना.
That's not sweet. That's dumb.
I have a question for you. How important are your girl friendships in your life and what they mean to you?
They are very, very important to me. Like, I feel if you don't have a boyfriend, it's okay, it's all right. But if you don't have one good girlfriend in your life,
Do you think that you don't have a boyfriend because of me?
yeah, definitely that I don't have a boyfriend because of Arya. Like, she has raised the standards till here. She'll pamper me, she'll do this, she'll do that for me. And I'm like, a boyfriend should know how to do that. If my best friend can. Girlfriends in your life are particularly very, very important. Like, they just give you comfort. If Arya calls me, my papa only will pick it up and tell कि हाँ ये ले बेटा 2 बजे हो 4 बजे हो कुछ भी हो. He knows Arya has called me to give a 2-hour monologue to me at 2 a.m. So that's fine. But I honestly adore girlfriends in the show Friends. If anybody's watched Friends, you will relate to this.
I mean, I love Friends and I think I bonded more because you are watching Friends. I don't like people who don't watch Friends. यार.
I know.
I mean, लोग बोलते हैं कि Friends 10 सीजन है, इतने एपिसोड्स. भाई आप दोस्त नहीं बन सकते मेरे. आप पहले Friends देख के आओ, पहले आप सीख के आओ उनसे, आप फिर मेरे दोस्त बनो. Now, who do you think from the Friends cast you relate to or we both equally relate to?
I honestly feel Joey and Chandler are a duo that, like, Joey falls in all the pits there are. Like, that is what Arya is. She'll go and bang her head like the time Joey locked himself in that cabinet when everything was stolen. Arya is that. But when it's the female duo, we are quite like Monica and Rachel. The bond they share is very, very beautiful. After a time they did not live together, they still shared that beautiful bond. That is what I share with Arya. When it comes to Monica and Rachel, I am a shopaholic and I just did that right now. And she likes to clean everything. She'll come at my house and start cleaning. Like, are you mad? Why are you cleaning at my house? Honestly, after this video is over, like the next second, she'll like, fold this blanket, get this out, get this. If I'm a shopaholic, she is a cleanerholic, if there's a word like that.
Yeah, you have made me seem like a cleaning by. You said about Monica and Rachel. I think we relate to that so much because यार उनमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत है. मतलब आई अग्री नाउ इट्स फिक्शनल एंड ऑल एंड यू विल जस्ट कम यार रियल लाइफ में दोस्ती ऐसी नहीं होती बट होती है. वी आर एक्सपीरियंस या हमारी है वी आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग दैट. अगेन नो नजर प्लीज. When in the future I get married, when I will have my Chandler in my life, you will for sure be my Joey. You know, I will have my home and I'll have a study room in that for sure.
Stay at your house 24/7. Understand that, my future Jiju. Delulu, guys. Obviously a Gen Z word which a Benji will not understand.
How dare you could say me Benji? This girl keeps calling me auntie for no reason. I was a colorful person when I was 18 years old. I am not. I used to wear all types of funky colors. You know, my roommates at that time were like, Arya, are you mad? Who wears orange color and blue denims and goes out? And that was me. But now I'm 22 years old, so I just choose to wear black all day.
Obviously you're gonna wear black because you are white. थोड़ी देर पहले she said, obviously you like white only ना स्तुति, because you are black. तो white will suit you.
Oh, never, never. I do not do racism. यार मैंने कभी लाइफ में किसी को काला गोरा कुछ काला घोड़ा बूढ़ा घोड़ा कुछ बोला ही नहीं है. मैं कभी नहीं करती हूँ ये सारी चीजें. Are you mad? Editor, can you just cut her out of the frame? I don't want her in this episode.
Your frame.
This is exactly the Kalesh we talk about. We are Kaleshis.
So, मेरा question आर्या के लिए, because I'm a Gen Z, you're a Benji and all. So what's your take on adult friendships?
Adult friendship is very easy. I think basically trust. I think when I am at my worst and my best, I need my friends around and those who cannot satisfy that basic needs. You know, some people come and say यार expectations मत रखो. मतलब मैं राह चलते से of course expectations रखूंगी ही नहीं, but मैं तेरे से दोस्त हूँ, मैं तेरे से expectations रखूंगी. कल मैं गिरी पड़ी रही हूँ तो आके उठाएगी नहीं मुझे. I swear she'll come and laugh first, but उठाएगी ना उसके बाद. After 100 fight also, I feel the friendship should be constant. You can have your ups, lows and downs, not just, you know, break that friendship because of a fight. That is the meanest thing I have ever faced in my life. People have broke friendship because I fought with them. I mean, that has changed my definition completely.
People don't like if you're straightforward, but you had have adult friendships since you were 2 years old. You used to trust every single person. Since we are on friends, I just have a question for you guys. Tell me if you think Ross and Rachel were on a break or not.
You know that I have a food natak and not many people know about that. And I think you have accepted that, yaar. I mean, you eat Jain food with me. When we went on the trip together, I think you have adjusted so much. And bina any complaint, yaar. Who on the earth would want to go in the rain when the temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius? I mean, in the whole
editor, zoom in.
Manali trip, you were wearing at least 2 layers and I was wearing 35 layers. And I was still freaking out. I was like, what the hell is wrong with the climate? And you were like, मुंडी बाहर निकाल के हम तो चले पहाड़ों में. You were doing all of that. And वो बीमार फिर भी नहीं पड़ी. मैं तो फिर भी बीमार पड़ गई भाई. मैंने 10 लेयर पहने थे. And we, you know, we went on the shoot. We had to do 2 shoot. I got like frozen leg. And this girl was constantly shooting in the snow wearing 2 freaking layers. And I still don't know how I borrowed my thermals. I borrowed her thermals. And still I was schooled. तो यार ये लड़की ने पूरे मनाली ट्रिप में जब हमारा ट्रैक ऑर्गेनाइजर आके हमको बता रहा है 10 बार कि खिड़की मत खोलो, फिर भी ये लड़की ने लिटरली खिड़की के बाहर कुत्ते जैसे मुंडी डाली है. ओके, व्हाट इज द वन थिंग यू वुड लाइक टू चेंज अबाउट मी?
मेरे को चेंज करना है तो 2 चीजें. सब फर्स्ट बिगेस्ट थिंग, कुछ तो खाना सीख ले भाई. सेकंड द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज, कौन इतना नहाता है भाई? इतने तो हम गंदे नहीं होते जितना ये नहाती है. शी इज नहानाहॉलिक. आर्या नहाती है दिन में मिनिमम 4 बार. पहले she'll take a bath when she wakes up, then she'll work out, then she'll take a bath.
डाइट जो खराब हो रहा है ना बस इस लड़की की वजह से हो रहा है. एवरी फ्रीकिंग डे आई विल वेक अप एंड आई एम सेइंग लाइक आज तो मैं डाइट कर रही हूँ. एंड ये लड़की चल आ रहा कॉफी पी के आते हैं. चल क्या ही है, वन लाइफ वन गोल.
Everything you like, because कल हो ना हो मेरा रील देख ले जाके. मैंने रील में भी लास्ट टाइम बोला
कुछ भी हो जाए क्रिएटर प्रमोशन नहीं रुकना चाहिए. मेरी रील देख लो भाई, तुम ये देखो ना देखो, मेरी रील पहले जाके देख लो. मुझे क्या लगता है तू अभी बुढ़ी है नहीं बहन. जो दुखने अपन दोनों ने देखे, पीठ दुख रही है, पेट दुख रहा है, मेरा तो एक एक बॉडी मुझे समझ में आता है. मेरे पास वो बॉडी पार्ट है, दुखता है तब कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा. वर्कआउट करो, डाइट करो, कम सो ज्यादा सो, शुगर खाओ ना खाओ, इट इज सेम.
रेड फ्लैग बता जो like friendship में तेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा red flag है. सब
Red flag to me is कि you know that you're friend to somebody and तुम उन्हें अकेला रख रहे हो, तुम्हें पता है कि वो you know they're not in a good space, but you don't mind to go and have that sympathy, empathy to them anywhere. I think that's a red flag, and I think झगड़े के बाद बस किसी ने दोस्ती तोड़ी, मैंने ये कभी red flag देखा नहीं था, but for me now that has come into a red flag. झगड़ा करो दोस्ती तोड़ो, झगड़ा करो दोस्ती तोड़ो. भाई मेरी तो तेरे से दोस्ती फिर स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड होना इज आई थिंक अ ग्रीन फ्लैग, बट नाउ आई थिंक इट्स अ रेड फ्लैग. नहीं बताना चाहिए किसी को मुंह पे जाके कि तुम बुरे हो. मैंने तेरे को बताया, तूने मान लिया, बट लोग नहीं अप्रिशिएट कर रही ये चीज.
वो लोग friends नहीं है ना.
एंड नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन द सेम.
Not being there for me when I need them. Like, just being there when it's my good times, but not being there for my bad times. A friend in need is a friend indeed.
And it's good to not have many friends and have real few friends.
Okay, so let's head to the most fun segment, which is sip it or spill it.
Okay, so the game is basically if I'm asking you a question and you're not answering that, you will have to sip that coffee which has no sugar, no milk, no dairy, non-fat.
Black coffee mixed with vinegar. So my question for you is, one friend that has betrayed you, backstabbed you, and you have given them a lot of chances.
This is a very controversial question. I do not want to waste more time in that people. I don't want to say the name. I don't want to waste my energy. I would rather drink that and be healthy.
मैं ले लूं क्या? So many names you have. A sip it moment. 2, 1, go. Yeah. अब लग रहा है नाम ले लेना चाहिए था.
पर ये जितना कड़वा था उससे ज्यादा तो वो लोग कड़वे, so that's fine. Okay, so my question is, tell me a name of a friend where you had to have him, her as a friend in your life, a compulsion, but you never really wanted.
There are many.
I know that मैं उसकी जबरदस्ती की friend नहीं हूँ because she doesn't entertain यार बकवास लोग in her life. Drink that damn thing now.
I can name them, but then बहुत controversy raise हो जाएगी.
यार ऐसे ही तो कलेश होता है, नाम दे दे फिर, नहीं तो पी ले. 3, 2, 1. यार किसी का बुरा करके इतना कभी अच्छा नहीं लगा जो इसकी शक्ल देख के जो मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है ना. मेरे को डाला ना कंट्रोवर्शियल क्वेश्चन में, अब पी ले बेटा. गो.
Oh my god.
We have given you enough kalesh
And had enough coffee. We are signing off. Until next time.